Right now, as you're watching this, something massive is happening inside Apple's top-secret labs in Cupertino. Engineers and designers are quietly working on the next evolution of the smallest iPad. And if the latest leaks are even half true, the upcoming iPad Mini 8 could be the most important update this lineup has seen in years. We've already watched the iPad Pro become unbelievably thin and powerful, and we've seen the iPad Air grow larger and closer to the Pro lineup in capability. But for a very specific, very loyal group of people often called the Mini Squad, one big question has remained unanswered for what feels like forever. Is Apple finally going to give us the Pro Mini experience fans have been asking for, or will the company continue delivering small, incremental upgrades that keep the Mini alive, but never truly push it forward? Well, according to the latest supply chain leaks and industry whispers, everything might finally be about to change. The iPad Mini 8 is shaping up to be far more than a routine refresh. Welcome to my channel. If you enjoy staying ahead of the latest tech leaks and future devices, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you never miss the next big update. And before we go any further, here is a quick warning. If you're thinking about buying the current iPad Mini 7, or even worse, if you're still holding on to the aging iPad Mini 6 and planning to upgrade soon, you might want to pause for a moment. The information coming out of Apple's supply chain in early 2026 suggests that the next Mini could introduce changes so big that buying the current model right now might feel like a mistake just a few months later. The biggest headline feature revolves around something fans have been asking for since the iPhone switched technologies years ago: OLED. The iPad Mini has always been a beloved device because of its size. It's the tablet that actually fits into real life. You can carry it around like a notebook, slip it into a small bag, or even hold it comfortably with one hand for long reading sessions. For many users, the Mini is not just another tablet. It's the one iPad that truly feels personal. It's the device pilots use in cockpits, the tablet doctors carry during hospital rounds, the portable console gamers rely on during travel, and the perfect digital book for people who read for hours. But despite all those strengths, the Mini has had one persistent weakness for years: the display. While Apple's iPhones have moved to OLED, and the iPad Pro lineup has already transitioned to advanced tandem OLED technology, the Mini has remained stuck with LCD panels that increasingly feel outdated. Many users have complained about issues like jelly scrolling, where the screen refreshes unevenly when scrolling vertically, making text appear to wobble slightly. Others have pointed out the grayish blacks and lower contrast that LCD displays struggle with compared to OLED. In a world where Apple devices are known for beautiful displays, the Mini has felt like the odd one out. That may finally be changing with the iPad Mini 8. According to leaks, Apple is preparing a brand new OLED panel measuring around 8.5 inches, slightly larger than the current display, but still compact enough to maintain the Mini's iconic portability. The switch to OLED would transform the experience instantly. Blacks would become truly black because the pixels simply turn off instead of trying to block light like LCD panels do. Colors would appear richer and more vibrant, while contrast would dramatically improve. When reading in dark mode, text would appear to float on an inky background, making long reading sessions easier on the eyes and far more immersive. For gamers and movie watchers, the difference could be even more dramatic. But the screen is only part of the story. Under the hood, Apple is reportedly planning to equip the iPad Mini 8 with a chipset that rivals the power of high-end laptops. Some rumors suggest the device could use the A19 Pro chip, while more aggressive predictions hint at an A20 Pro, depending on Apple's release schedule. Either way, that level of performance would push the Mini into entirely new territory. Suddenly, a tablet small enough to hold in one hand could handle demanding creative apps, console-quality gaming, and advanced multitasking without breaking a sweat. The Mini would no longer be seen as a smaller iPad, but rather as a compact powerhouse designed for people who want maximum capability in a minimal form factor. Apple may also be redesigning the internal speaker system to deliver better stereo sound. One criticism of smaller tablets has always been that they cannot compete with larger devices in audio quality. However, Apple's engineering teams have become incredibly skilled at squeezing powerful audio systems into tiny spaces. If the rumors are accurate, the iPad Mini 8 could feature improved speaker placement and acoustic chambers that deliver fuller sound even when held in portrait mode. Another intriguing possibility is water resistance. For years, iPhones have offered protection against accidental splashes and short dips in water, but iPads have never officially received the same treatment. Some reports suggest Apple might finally introduce water resistance to the Mini lineup, which would open up entirely new use cases. Imagine taking your iPad Mini to the beach, using it by the pool, or reading beside the bathtub without constantly worrying about a stray splash damaging your device. For a tablet designed to be portable and used everywhere, that kind of durability would make a lot of sense. The bigger question, though, is why Apple would choose this moment to invest so heavily in the Mini. The answer likely comes down to market dynamics. In many regions, particularly in the United States, the small tablet category has become strangely empty. On one side of the market, you have extremely cheap Android tablets that often feel underpowered and poorly built. On the other side, you have the iPad Mini, which sits in a premium category almost by itself. There is very little middle ground. At the same time, smartphones continue getting larger, while foldable devices are slowly starting to enter the mainstream. If Apple wants the Mini to remain relevant in that environment, it cannot simply continue making minor upgrades. The device needs a clear identity and a strong reason to exist alongside massive smartphones and larger iPads. By giving the Mini an OLED display, flagship-level performance, and potentially even new durability features, Apple could reposition it as the ultimate compact powerhouse. For professionals like pilots and doctors, the Mini would remain the perfect tool for quick reference and note-taking. For gamers, it could become the ideal handheld console for cloud gaming or high-performance mobile titles. For readers, the OLED display would provide stunning clarity and contrast for text and comics. And for everyday users, the device would simply offer a powerful tablet experience in a size that feels effortless to carry anywhere. If all these leaks come true, the iPad Mini 8 could finally deliver what fans have been asking for: a true Pro Mini experience, even if Apple never officially uses the word Pro in its name. Instead of being the overlooked member of the iPad family, the Mini might finally become the most exciting device in the lineup. And if Apple manages to combine OLED visuals, flagship performance, improved audio, and possibly water resistance into one compact package, the iPad Mini 8 could easily become the small tablet that redefines what portable computing looks like for the next generation.